are some brief and fun facts about a newly emerged periodical cicada. These insects spend most of their lives underground as nymphs, feeding on tree roots, and emerge every 13 or 17 years to transform into adults and mate. Life cycle. After hatching from eggs laid on tree branches, the nymphs burrow underground and feed on roots, emerging later to become adults, mate, and lay eggs, restarting the cycle. Sound. Male cicadas produce a distinctive loud humming or buzzing sound by vibrating a membrane in an internal air chamber to attract females. Harmless to humans. Cicadas are generally harmless to humans and animals as they don't bite or sting, although their exoskeletons can be difficult for some animals to digest. Predator avoidance. Periodical cicadas emerge in large numbers, overwhelming predators like birds and wasps, ensuring enough individuals survive to reproduce.
Every 13 to 14 years, vast numbers of cicadas emerge at once in the forest of North America. They cover the trees and fill the air with sounds, creating one of the wonders of the natural world. So this is a cicada that we found.
God, hi. My name is Kingston.
Any fun facts about cicadas, Kingston?
Cicadas can go 5 meters long.
They can grow 5 years long. When? Look, it looks like something's coming out of the back of this cicada. We actually found this guy on a walk this morning.
Yep.
We decided to do a little video about him.
After it was walking when we first found him, but when we found him again, it looks like he got hurt.
Yeah. We actually caught him, then he flew away because we didn't really have a container, and then we caught him again. So we kind of felt like maybe it was meant to be for us to meet this guy and bring him home. He has something hanging out his tail, so we're still investigating exactly what that is. Pretty cool stuff. And he's just sitting upright, looking directly into the camera. This is his debut.
She wants to escape.
Oh, definitely wants to escape. We're going to put him in a nice container that's more breathable than this. We only wanted to do this close up here with him. But we're going to actually put him in a container where there is ventilation. So I'm going to show you the container we're going to put him in.
Mom, both of
this
these
container has holes in it.
Ventilation.
So,
but this one has more ventilation.
well, look at this one. This one has ventilation around all edges.
Yeah, because
And this cool book actually talks about a lot of fun facts about cicadas.
yes, that makes
Like a
sense.
lot of cool facts.
Yeah.
Look at this cool facts here. This cool facts. Right here, some cool facts here. And then we got a cool fact down here. A cool fact here. A cool fact here. A bunch of cool facts here.